Cinnamon and Mom with Kyle, Brian, and Sarah. We're doing RBU A to Z, and we're going anywhere and everywhere with you this year.
This month we're going on brewery.
Excellent, KWKT. Excellent.